Well, it's March 6th, 2025. It's about 7 degrees, give or take. And I just finished trimming down all the blueberry bushes in the area that we're going to be building. As you can see, there's no fires going today. It is rather windy, and I'd rather not start a forest fire on the property that we're building, especially after Nova Scotia's experience in the last couple of years with fires. I don't want to be that guy. But it's brushed down. I'm not going to be running chainsaw today because there's nobody up here to keep track of me and make sure that I'm being safe and there to check in with me if something goes wrong. So that'll probably be a tomorrow job or maybe this weekend. We'll see. Cheers all.